Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your credit card alerts using Mint Alternatives detailed guide step by step. Start by identifying the credit card alerts you want to back up. Access your current Mint account and navigate to the alerts section. Review the types of alerts you receive. Make a list of these alerts for future reference. Research Mint alternatives that offer similar alert features. Some popular alternatives include Personal Capital, INAB, and Clarity Money. Choose one that best fits your needs and aligns with your financial goals. Create an account on the chosen platform. Follow the prompts to link your credit card accounts. Once linked, explore the alert settings within the new platform. Customize the alerts to mirror those you previously received on Mint. Set up notifications to ensure you're alerted promptly. If your chosen alternative requires manual backing up, take screenshots of your alert settings. Alternatively, write down the details of your alerts for easy reference. Periodically log into your new platform to check for updates or additional features. Consider utilizing additional features for budgeting or tracking your finances. Stay proactive by reassessing your alert settings regularly. This ensures that your backup remains relevant to your spending habits. Regularly inspect your email and notification settings to avoid missing critical alerts. This guarantees you remain informed about any changes to your credit situation. By following these steps, you can successfully back up your credit card alerts using reliable Mint alternatives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.